How to open Barclays bank account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open your Barclays bank account online. So first of all, just simply open the Barclays official website. Just simply search for barclays.co.uk and you will be landed to the official website of Barclays. And after that, on the top menu screen, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like digital banking, bank accounts, borrowing, credit cards, savings, etc. So just simply click on bank account section from the top menu, which is the second option. Simply click on it, and over here under the everyday account section, you will be able to see the option called Barclays bank account. Just simply click on it, and now you have the current accounts option in which you can open your account. So there is no monthly fees, and the eligibility terms and criteria and conditions are also applied over here. And in order to open your account in Barclays online, just simply click on apply from here. And over here on this page, you have two options. Either you can apply for solo Barclays bank account, or you can apply for a joint Barclays bank account. So you can choose as per your choice. So the eligibility criteria for opening a bank account with Barclays is that you have to be age above 18 or plus. You should have a UK number with you, and you should also have to provide your proof ID or identity like your passport or driving license if you have it. And once you fulfill all these criteria, just simply click on apply online. And now on this page, you have to apply for a current account now. So you have to choose and fill these criteria. So it says that, are you currently a resident in UK? So just simply select yes or no. Since it is a criteria, so you must fulfill that. Just simply click on yes. And it also asking about your date. So just simply fill in the form. And it is also asking you, are you a student, full-time student or not? So you can select whether you are full-time student or not. Just simply click on yes or no. And after that, it is showing you the account opening process. So in the first process, first of all, you have to enter your details. Then you have to enter your IDs and check the IDs with the Barclays online setup. And after that, you have to set up your account perfectly. And then you have to enter your account details and your account will be ready. So there are a few things that you have to remember while applying for opening a bank account in Barclays. That your address for the past 3 years or your current address will need to be in the UK. So you have to be a UK resident for at least 3 years, and your income and employment details, including full-time company address, should also be there. And if you are a resident for tax purpose outside UK or a US citizens, so you will need your foreign tax residency details and tax identification number also. And just simply click on continue over here. And now just simply scroll down, and you can read the terms and condition on this particular page, and just check the box that you confirm the terms and condition and click on continue again. And on this page, you have to fill in your personal details like your name, title, your first name, your last name, date of birth, gender, marital status, living status, and your mother name and other details. And on the next slide, you have to enter your identity card details like your driving license or your passport or any other identity card or identification that you have. And on the next page, your account will be set up, and then your account details will be provided to you. And once you have filled in all these details and applied for the bank account, and then you have to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours for the Barclays to review your application. And as soon as your application get reviewed and you get the approval, your bank account with Barclays will be open quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to open Barclays bank account online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.